Hello, it's Tim Esterdahl, Pickup Truck Plus SUV Talk. Today we're driving trucks, and I mean trucks. I got an old International, I got old Fords, old Chevys. We're hauling in some corn with a farmer up here in Nebraska. I'm gonna hop in and out, I'm gonna do some video and kind of show you the fun you can have in these old trucks that really still do the job. They're perfect, and they're a lot of fun to drive. So stay with us as we do some video, and I'll show you some more. If you haven't been around farming before, and I had until I moved here, this is how it works. The combine's got a hopper in it. The hopper holds so much corn They fill up about 2 runs per truck, and then you bring them down here, and it goes in this auger, and we unload in this auger. The auger is the yellow thing at the top of that silo. So the auger takes and turns, and it turns the corn and drives it to the top and puts it in. These have hydraulics which raise the top of the bed, and it raises them up. More corn goes out. They open the slough on the bottom, gets more corn out, and you get done. We drive back about a mile on a dirt road back to the farm, and we keep loading up more corn. Now, a lot of farmers use semis. This is what get load done fast, just load semi all day long. But when you have short rows and small fields, you still use these little trucks. You still get the job done pretty damn well, and it makes the job go pretty easy. If you have enough drivers, you just keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Alright, here we go back to the farm where we're doing the corn haul. I got 4 on the floor. I got a 2-speed transfer case. I got a big, I don't even know, I think it's like 2.5 ton truck. I'll look that up. 2.5 ton. It's a big truck. Let's just go with that. I got dualies in the back. Speedometer's broke. I'm not really sure how fast I'm going. But let's just call it 35, 40. That's about top speed on these that I want to drive, man. I am fortunate though, I got power steering and power brakes. Not every truck in this era, or not every truck we're using today has both those features. Pretty damn handy if you're hauling this much stuff around. I did a story on it last year, and I think I was hauling, we weighed these trucks, and I think it was like 17,000 pounds of corn. And that's how much is in this truck, which is pretty incredible, hauls this much without that much of a problem. Considering the engine in these is the same engine I have in my little pickup, so you're not really having that much more power. These days the torque output on a new Duramax, even the new gas Vortec, is going to be probably 4 times as much as what this pickup's doing. Alright, day 2, I got loaded down an International 73 with either 304 or 345 V8 in it. 183 horsepower, I believe is the number. No, 195, excuse me, 195 horsepower. After weighing them last year, I think our number is about 17,000 pounds of corn. Yeah, and this kind of truck, class 6 or class 7. This is a class 6, and so it rides pretty well. It's got the big steering wheel like you would see in a school bus steering wheel. But it's a lot of fun to drive these old pickups. Excuse me, these old trucks. I can't say pickups, old trucks. Filled out the corn, heading over to the silo. We'll get over there and we'll get loaded up, or unloaded, excuse me, and then we'll get loaded up again and come back this way. And do it again and again and again. sitting in the field. I just got back from another run to the silo. Just kind of waiting for the combines to fill up their hoppers and come back and load me up. And then I'll head back and do the run again. What's interesting about this is you can't go too fast. You can't drive the silo really fast because you sit there and wait. And you can't drive here too fast, sit here and wait the hopper. It's more efficient when you get about 4 drivers going, 2 combines, just keep things rolling. Nice, steady speed, nothing breaks, knock on wood, and everything just kind of keeps going smoothly. These trucks are a lot of fun to drive. They're big, they're wide. You know, it's just you have to kind of pay more attention to it. The 4 on the floor is fun. I got power steering and power brakes, and this one I'm driving. Some of the ones don't. It's fun getting other different ones and getting different experiences and how they work. Not much for suspension. They do hit pretty hard, but they do make a big difference loaded and unloaded. Loaded down, they just drive so much different than loaded up than unloaded. So it's a fun drive. It's a fun day. I enjoy coming out helping the farmer and help bring in this crop. So hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more of the crazy stuff I do. There's a whole playlist under unique drives. There's a lot of crazy vehicles I end up driving. Make sure you check that out. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. All variations of Pickup Truck Talk. And make sure you follow us on the website, pickuptrucktalk.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road.